Hey guys, it's Steve. Today I'm going to be breaking in my Pit Boss Kamado grill, and I'm going to be breaking it in doing a wing sauce comparison, so stay tuned. So what I've got is about 3 to 6 pounds of wings that I'm going to be smoking out there on the grill, and I'm going to be doing a quick wing comparison sauce on them. The sauces that I'm going to be using, and these are ones that I got from various places. I'm just really interested in checking them out. I got this from Kroger. It's a spicy garlic wing sauce. Second one is the Sweet Baby Ray's wing sauce. And as you know, if you follow my channel, you've seen any of the other cooks that I do. I like pretty much everything Sweet Baby Ray's makes, almost. So I was really interested in trying this here. This is a sauce that I used in another video. This is an Asian kick wing sauce. It's really good. I'm interested in seeing how it holds up against these others. And then another one you saw me use is a Parmesan wing sauce. And both of these sauces picked up from Aldi. This one, the Sweet Baby Ray's, you can pick up pretty much anywhere, but I actually picked this one up at Kroger. And then of course this spicy garlic sauce is also from Kroger. It's actually Kroger's brand. So what I'm going to do is get these wings out, get them washed up, put in a bowl, and set up for smoking. And I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. Originally I said I was going to do about 3 to 6 pounds, but it's actually closer to like 3 or 4 pounds. These are just wings. So what I'm going to do right now is go ahead and hit all of them with a nice coat of olive oil, just so that the seasoning has something to stick to. And the seasoning that I'm going to be using today, as usual, I'm going to be using my SPG, but today I'm going to be using also a little bit of SuckleBusters Hog Waller seasoning. So what I'm going to do is get these flipped over, get some more oil put on them, and then I'll show you the seasonings. Alright, so like I said, I'm just using a little bit of SPG. What I want to do is go ahead and get this nice little coating on this here. I don't want to use a lot of sauces or rubs, because I don't really want them to compete with the flavor of the sauces that I'm going to be using. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and get all of these flipped over. Actually, take that back. While I got them on one side, get this. While I got them all here on one side, just go ahead and follow it up with the Hog Waller seasoning. And if you guys have never used any of this stuff or tried it, I would highly recommend you do. It has an awesome smell, and it gives really great color to whatever meat you're using it on. It says on the bottle that it's a pork and rib rub, but I've used it on a couple of different things besides just pork and ribs, and I think it's really good. It's going to give the best flavor profile for those types of meats, but you can use it on more if you choose to. Alright, so like I said, I'm just going to get these wings flipped over, seasoned up, and then they're going to get back in the fridge for a couple of hours, and then we'll head out to the smoker. So the next time I see you, we will be firing up the Kamado to get these wings on there. So stick around. And I know I said that the next time I'd see you guys was out on the grill, but I couldn't pass this up. These look really good. These are seasoned, like I said, with salt, pepper, and garlic, and then a little bit of Hog Waller's SuckleBusters Hog Waller seasoning, and they just look amazing. So like I said, I'm just going to leave them sit out for about 10-20 minutes, just allow the seasoning to soak in, and then I'm going to put them back in the fridge until it's time to go in the smoker. So see you then. Alright guys, I just took these out of the fridge. I'm getting ready to run them out to the smoker right now. Alright guys, so as you can see, we're back out at the smoker and the temperature is a little over 400 degrees for smoking wings. Average temperature is between 350 and 450, so we've got it right where we want it to be. It's been holding here for a little bit despite the wind. I know as seen in my last video where I actually did my first impressions of this smoker, the wind was just ridiculous. So we're just going to zoom out here and get these wings on the smoker, and we're just going to roll from there. Like I said, it's been holding at a little bit over 400, actually closer to about 425, which looks like it went up. It's gone up a little bit, but it has been holding this temperature in this range pretty steady, which I'm very, very pleased with. So let's get this lifted up. One of the things that I forgot to mention in my first impressions video is the fact that this smoker has these two trays. So we're just going to do this indirect right now. Yeah, but these two trays allows for you to be able to put more meat. You can put meat on the top and on the bottom. Right now, what I want to do is just have meat on this top rack. But I don't know how this is going to go, so we're just going to play it by ear. If I have to, I'll move them down to the second rack. Yeah, if I have to, I will move some of these wings down to that second rack. I prefer not to because of how close they're going to be to the fire. Wouldn't you know it, we had 25 wings and we had enough room to fit 25 wings on here. Alright, so right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set a timer. I'm going to let those go for about 8 minutes and then I'm going to flip them. Alright, so I've got an 8-minute timer going. At the end of those 8 minutes I'm going to flip them. Well, actually in about 4 minutes I'm going to flip them. Let them go, and then at the end of the 8 minutes total, I'm going to put the heat diffuser plate in there and let them go for another 15 minutes, and that should finish them off. So I'll let you guys see what they look like here in a few minutes when I flip them. Alright guys, so it's been about 5 minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and lift this up and flip them. One of the things that I can tell you about this Pit Boss Kamado, if it's something that you're considering, so far it holds temperature very well. I got it up to 400 degrees. Let it sit for about 15-20 minutes and I put the wings on here, and in the time that I had the lid up for the wings to put them on there, of course the temperature drops, but as soon as I closed the lid it came right back up and it's holding right at 400 now. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and lift this up, get a quick zoom on those wings. I'm going to go ahead and flip all of them over and then do them another 5 minutes. Whoa, almost had a man overboard. And the smell on them is, man, amazing. But these are hot, too. So like I said, in about 5 minutes, I'm going to come back out here and put the heat deflector plate on here and do a little bit of indirect grilling for the last 20-25 minutes. Alright, so we got them all flipped, and I'm going to go ahead and close it down and set another timer, and I'll show you what they look like here in again about 5 minutes. Stay with me. Alright guys, it's been another 5 minutes, so what I'm getting ready to do is take these off so I can put the heat diffuser on, and then we're going to indirect smoke them for the last 20-25 minutes. Take a look at that. Wow. Those look amazing.
Alright, so I've got my Only Fire heat stone in there right now, and for the last 20-25 minutes I'm just going to let these, well actually for about 10-15 minutes I'm going to let these go ahead and cook, and then I'm going to sauce them and cook them for a final 10 minutes, and then these should be done. We're going to call them done. So stick around guys, we are not done yet. Stay tuned. Hey guys, I am back. It has been 10 minutes, so now it's actually time to start saucing these, and I'm going to have to sauce them one sauce at a time. But let's take a quick look. Oh God, those look amazing. So the first wings that we're going to sauce up here, we're going to use this Asian Kick sweet and spicy wing sauce. We're going to hit 5 of these wings up. And what we're going to do is just take like this and baste it on there a little bit. Alright, the next sauce we're going with is this Burman's Parmesan garlic wing sauce. Alright, our third sauce is the Kroger spicy garlic wing sauce. So we're going to just hit 5 of these with that. Alright, and this is the last sauce that we're using, the Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo wing sauce. This is the one that I kind of have the highest hopes for, but you never know. Alright, and then after that, with the last 5 wings, we're just going to leave those plain. So we're going to close this up, let it go for about 5 minutes, and then come back. So I'll see you guys in 5. So like I said, this first one is the Asian kick sauce. Alright, the second wing that we're going to flip over here is the Parmesan garlic sauced wings. And mixed sauce here. 2, 4, and 5 is the spicy garlic sauce. And the fourth is the Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo wing sauce. And we're just going to go ahead and coat that. And then the last 5, as you know, these are the ones that we left plain, that have nothing on them but a little bit of SPG and a little bit of SuckleBusters Hog Waller seasoning. But, be that as it may, we still need to flip them. Alright friends, this is it. The final results here. Good grief. Alright, I think I remember how I laid these out here. So what I'm going to do is take this first batch, which I know for a fact are the spicy Asian kick sauce wings. I'm just going to go ahead and... Alright, with that, all of our wings are done. These look, good gracious, some kind of amazing. Alright, this is what the finished product looks like. The only 2 that I know for certain are the Asian kick sauce and the Parmesan garlic. There's the Kroger spicy garlic, the plain, and Sweet Baby Ray's. On top of that, we got some baked beans, a little salad, and some au gratin potatoes. I know this video is titled a comparison, but there is no comparison. All of them are going to be good. All of them are good. I've had a taste of just the rub. But anyway, let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please do share it with others. And if you have not already done so, please do hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.